Hi everyone, Thao here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Over the past year, I've tried multiple text messaging apps, but I've always found myself going back to Samsung Messages. The other day, I thought to myself, why? Today, I want to go over 3 features from Samsung Messages that I think you all should know about and why I keep gravitating back to it. Let's get right into it. Setting reminders isn't anything new, but what I like about Samsung Messages, it's a seamless integration with Samsung Reminders. Long pressing on any message and selecting Send to Reminders allows you to immediately create a reminder. A pop-up appears that allows you to customize the alert settings. There are 3 presets, but you can customize your own date and time. You can even select a location-based alert, where you pick a place and it alerts you once you arrive. Where this shines is that you're able to create, save, and customize the alert, all without having to leave the Messages app. Making the process of setting reminders easier to do is a win in my book. I use this mainly to set reminders for myself to respond to messages at a later time so I don't forget. Most message apps can share to Google Keep, which is my reminder app of choice, but doesn't allow you to set an alert without launching the actual Keep app. Being able to schedule text messages in advance is great. Although emails are much more professional, scheduled text messages are a great alternative for people who I know don't check their emails frequently. If it's late at night and there are things I need to communicate with someone for tomorrow, I'll set a scheduled message for the next morning so I don't disturb them outside of their work hours or even worse, disrupt their sleep. Another common use case is to send reminder messages to someone I have a scheduled meeting or an event with. Let's say I've scheduled a meeting with Jim Smith 2 weeks from now at 4 p.m. I can schedule a text message reminder to him a day before the event saying something like, "Hi Jim, I'm just confirming our meeting for tomorrow at 4 p.m. Let me know if this still works." To schedule a message, hit the plus symbol, then the 3 dots and hit schedule message. From there, select the day and time and hit done. Write up your message and hit send. The message will now be sent as scheduled. I also use scheduled text messages with my husband frequently to remind him to pick up groceries or items at the store the moment he's off work. This way, he'll get a reminder at the perfect time. It's inevitable that our Messages app will become loaded with messages from friends, family, coworkers, marketing, etc. If you've ever had to locate a specific message, you know how cumbersome and tough of a task it is. Using the starred messages feature allows you to avoid this trouble. It's really easy to use. Simply long press on the specific message and hit star message. You'll notice a yellow star appear beside the message. To access all your star messages, just click on the 3 dots from the Conversations page and select Starred Messages. It stores the starred messages grouped by person. But how? I can just use the search bar at the top. Yes, that's true, but you won't be able to search for media and there will be those situations where you just can't remember any part of the text message. Starred Messages works great to save things like important links and images or even coupon codes sent to you. This allows you to quickly refer back to them without scanning through pages upon pages of text messages. I've been jumping back and forth between Samsung Messages and Android Messages. Android Messages recently implemented Messages for Web, giving me the ability to send text messages from my computer. As convenient as sending text messages on my computer is, I just don't value it as much as the features I listed. That's why I've been sticking with Samsung Messages, especially on my Note 9, which I use primarily for work and business. Which text messaging app are you currently using? Would you recommend I try it? Anyways, I hope you guys found this video insightful. Thank you all so much for watching. Until the next one, peace. Bye!